This is the demonstration for my CS50 project 1. So the first item on the specification is entry page. If I visit Wiki title and if it is not there, I should get an error. So let me go ahead and try that. So if I try Wiki and something like Linux, I get an error message. However, if I try to go for something that is there, like CSS, I should just get that page. So if I do Wiki and then CSS, I come up with the CSS page. Okay, so the next item on the specification is index page. So if I click on one of those topic links, I should be taken directly to that page. So let me go ahead and do that. If I click on CSS, I'm taken directly to CSS. If I click on Django, I'm taken directly to the Django page. So that works. The next item is search. So if I type a query into the search box, and if it matches exactly, I should be redirected to the entries page. Okay, so if I go here into the search box and type CSS, enter, I'm taken directly to the CSS page. However, if it does not match, but it occurs as substring, I should be able to see all the items that partially match that search query. Okay, so let me try this. So I have JavaScript. So if I type in JA, enter, I see I have JavaScript. If I click on any of these, I'm simply taken to that page. New page. So if I click on create new page, I should be able to create a new page. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, if it already exists, I should be presented with an error message. Let me try that first. So create new page. Okay, so let me try CSS. I'll just say hello. And then if I click submit, I see an error and it already exists. However, if I create a new page, it's not in there. Okay, and then if I click submit, I'm taken to that page, and if I click home, I should see now there's the Linux, that new entry is in there now. Okay, edit page. So if I can go to one of the topics and I can click on a link that says edit. I should be taken to an area in which I can edit the content of that topic. So let me go ahead and try this. So CSS, click on edit page, and I'm taken to this area where I can add more Markdown. And I'll just say something like hello, and then click submit. And then I see that the added little phrase I put in there does come up in that topic content. Okay, so next thing is random page. So clicking on random, I should see a random entry. So let me go ahead and do that. So just click on random page. You know, every time I click on it, I see another topic come up. That does work. So the last thing is this Markdown HTML, and obviously, you know, everything is showing up in HTML, so all these items are saved in Markdown and they're coming up as HTML, so that one is taken care of as well. Okay, so that concludes my demo of my project 1. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.